Okay. So I'm going to have you step out of the car, please. Turn your car off and come on and step out.
No, thank you.
Okay, so I am ordering you out of the car now. If you refuse to get out, I'm going to have to remove you with my own hands, and I don't think you want me to do that. Okay?
I don't understand what's the problem.
On Tuesday, August 19th in 2025 in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, a routine traffic stop for speeding escalated quickly when the driver refused to exit the vehicle and officers began suspecting impairment.
And what speed did you think you were going? Because I got you at 58.
48.
You know schools are being released right now, right?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. Give me just a moment.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Officer Khan. I'm with Palm Beach Gardens Police Department. So what's going on today?
I'm just going back to my boyfriend's house.
Okay, where are you coming from?
I'm coming from work.
Work? Where do you work?
I work a lot of places.
But inconsistencies like that are exactly what immediately raises suspicion during a roadside investigation.
Okay, well, where were you working today?
Today I was working in Palm Beach Gardens.
Palm Beach Gardens is a city. Where in Palm Beach Gardens were you working?
Publix.
Publix? Okay. What Publix do you work for? What's your position there?
Cashier.
Cashier? How long have you been working for them?
A long time.
Long time. What time did you work today?
Like 9 to 5.
9 to 5. Do you know what time it is right now?
Yes.
What time is it?
3:03.
Okay, so how did you work 9 to 5 if right now it's 3:03?
Got off early.
With conflicting statements stacking up, the officer issued a lawful order to exit the vehicle.
Okay. So I'm going to have you step out of the car, please. Turn your car off and come on and step out.
No, thank you.
Okay, so I am ordering you out of the car now. If you refuse to get out, I'm going to have to remove you with my own hands, and I don't think you want me to do that. Okay?
I don't understand what's the problem.
This is the legal threshold where compliance stops being requested and starts being compelled.
I'll tell you when you step on out, please.
No, thank you.
He is giving you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle. Let's go.
If you do not exit your car, you will be charged with...
Step out of the vehicle.
Please step out of
Thank
the...
you.
No, ma'am. It does not work
No,
like
thank
that.
you.
Step out of the vehicle.
No, thank you.
Please step
I
out.
would love to have all my things back.
Okay, you are not leaving. You are detained at this time. This is a traffic stop. Not only that, but I suspect you're impaired.
I do not suspect
Nope.
that.
You close
Nope.
the door.
Nope. Nope. Do not
Come on.
do this. Do not do this.
Car's off. I'm reaching across to take your seatbelt off. Time to get out of the car.
Get out of the vehicle.
At
Nope.
this point, you're going to be charged with resisting.
Get out of the
Out
vehicle.
of the vehicle.
Get-
Do not make me pull you.
Get out-
Please get out of the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle.
Please get
I'm
out of
getting
the vehicle. I'm going to give you the count of 5. Swing your legs.
No, it's not even 5. Get out of the car.
Jesus,
Get out of the car.
Let me swing my own leg.
So do it.
I have a very bad leg.
Well,
ahead.
Refusal to comply turned a traffic stop into a physical detention under lawful authority.
I'm holding your arm. Get out of the car.
Just get out of the car. If you turn your car on and put it into
Get out of
gear,
the car.
I already turned your car off.
It's not on.
I already turned your car
Out
off.
of the car.
No, I
Out
turned
of the
my
vehicle.
car off.
Out of the
Get
vehicle.
out.
No, you didn't, because I just reached in
Yes,
your car
I
to
did.
do it.
No.
All right, we're
All
done.
right.
We're done.
Nope. Get out of the car.
Stop.
At this time, you're under arrest for driving under the influence and resisting.
What?
Once those words are spoken, the stop legally escalates into full custodial arrest.
Put your hands behind your back.
Crap. No.
Nope.
I did not turn my car off.
In fact, I did. It's on my camera that I reached into your car and hit your butt. Well, you're under arrest for driving under the influence and resist.
She's good.
Okay. Actually, we're just going to call you under arrest for resisting right now. Put some down on your, it's on your bumper.
It's on the bumper.
Okay. So, just so you understand what I have, because I've gone with what is through drug recognition expert training. Okay, it's my job to recognize when people are impaired. Okay, I already have more than enough to suspect you're impaired. You've got bloodshot, watery eyes. Your speech is slurred and thick. Okay, I've got strong odors. I've got strong odors of alcohol. I didn't say anything about your face being red. In fact, I have rosacea too. I'm sure you can see it. My face is very pink.
I can.
Okay.
After the arrest began, the officer documented clear signs of impairment to establish probable cause.
That's not something that I talked about. But you have other indicators of impairment.
No,
I'm
to
not
mention.
moving.
Sit down.
Lena, sit down.
Not to mention the
Sit.
fact that you were traveling 58 and a 45. All right.
I'm not that
Through a
kind of
school
person,
area.
people.
So, I suspect you are impaired. Okay. At this point, you've already resisted me. I have every right to take you to jail for just the resistance. I ordered you out of the car.
I'm not-
Pennsylvania v. Mims. No, please listen.
Speed violation plus impairment indicators legally compounds probable cause.
Pennsylvania v. Mims, which is a United States Supreme Court case law, says that when I order you out of the car, you have to get out. You told me no. I had to go in your car, open your door, reach across you to turn your car off, which is on my body camera. All right? And unbuckle you to get out because you would not get out.
Unbuckle me.
In fact, I did. Please stop. That already alone tells me you're impaired because you don't comprehend what's going on. All right? I am affording you the ability to dispel my suspicion that you were impaired by doing standardized field sobriety tests. Will you participate?
No.
Okay. So, you're already under arrest for resisting.
With probable cause established, standardized sobriety tests were formally presented.
Refusing to participate in these standardized field sobriety
like my
tests takes that away.
Like
Refusing
my
to
lawyer.
participate in SFSTs can be used
I'd
against
like
you in a
my
court of law.
lawyer.
Do you understand what I just informed you?
I'd like my lawyer.
Do you understand what I just
I'd
informed
like
you? Yes
my
or no?
lawyer.
The yes or no question.
I'd like my lawyer.
Okay. So
Yes,
I'm going
I'd
to.
like my lawyer.
Okay. So at this point, I'm going to take it that you understand what I explained to you because you are refusing to answer my question, but you are responding. So you are under arrest for driving under the influence. Your car is being towed. I'm going to go through it.
The refusal triggered admissible evidence rules and escalated the investigation further.
I'm going to ask if you'll provide a breath sample. Will you provide that breath sample? Yes or no? I
I'd like
need.
to see my lawyer.
I need an answer. A yes or no.
I'd like to see my lawyer.
I need an answer. Yes or no, please.
I'd like to see my lawyer.
Okay. So
You haven't read my Taylors.
I did give you your Taylor.
I'd like
Refusing
my
to
lawyer.
participate in SFSTs can be used
I'd
against
like
you in a
my
court of law.
lawyer.
If you did not comprehend them, that's up to you. So, I'm now requesting you to submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Refusal to submit to the test I've requested is admissible as evidence in any criminal proceedings. Do you understand what that means? Yes or no?
At this point, suspicion has officially transitioned into formal criminal charging.
Yes or no question. Do you understand what that means? The very fact that you use the term Taylor warning when I didn't tell you that it was called Taylor tells me that you've had a DUI before. In fact, I know you've had a DUI before.
In the end, what started as a simple speeding stop turned into DUI charges, resisting arrest, and a revoked license, because in U.S. law, ignoring lawful commands doesn't reset the situation, it escalates it.